Good morning children. I am going to take class for 3rd standard science now. We are going to continue the class. So, in the previous class we were learning about the properties of solid, liquid and gas. Now, first we will see solid. So, elaborately we will see now solid. Now, it is given press a wooden pencil. That is the pencil hard? Yes or no they have asked. Take a pencil, press and see whether it is hard or soft. Yes, it is hard. So, we have to say yes. Okay. Then solids are things that have a definite shape and volume. So, already I said it has a definite shape and volume. Good. It has a definite shape and volume. Now, they occupy. Occupy enna sonna aduthu vaipadu. Then they occupy a fixed space. They also occupy a one space. For example, if I keep a book is also a solid. India, if I keep there, what happens? It occupies a space in the table. Okay, if I keep the book on the table, what happens? It occupies a space. Space another edom. Okay, yeah. It occupies a space. That is fixed space. Occupies a fixed space. Then the particles in solids are packed very tightly. For example, see here, these are the particles. They are packed very tightly. What happens? They are packed very tightly. These particles are packed very tightly. That is, they have a definite shape, definite volume, fixed space and packed very tightly. Then, so they cannot move freely. அதாவது closed இருக்கிறதுனால என்ன ஆகுது அவங்களால நகர முடியாது. That is, they cannot move. ஃப்ரீயாக மூவ் பண்ண முடியாது because they are closely packed. So, they cannot move freely. What happens? They cannot move freely. Then, their shape can be changed only when we break or cut them. So, their shape can be changed only when we break or cut them. For example, if you take a brick, already I said single irukku, if you take that, what happens? If you break only, it will break. Next, if it, for example, if you take a paper, if we cut means what happens? It will cut, otherwise no. Illaya? So, these for example, apple also nama cut pannada and cut panna mudiyum. Cut pannalana adu apdiye da irukku. It's a solid. For example, if you take a brick, then what is given here? Apple, then computer, plastic and pebbles. Pebbles enadhu chinna chinna kallu. Illaya? So, these are the properties. See, they have a definite shape, definite volume, fixed space. That is, they have a space packed very tightly. See, these particles, they are packed very tightly. They are not loosely packed. Romba kitta kitta irukku, close irukku. They cannot move freely because they are closely packed. They cannot move. Avangala nagarave mudiyadhu. They cannot move. Next, can be break or cut them. Next is liquids. So, for example, if you take liquids now liquids is, they have given, here we can see that the shape of the liquid is determined by the shape of the container. அதாவது நம்ம கண்டெய்னரை வச்சு அந்த லிக்விடோட அந்த ஷேப்பை நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும். That is, first is pouring kerosene in the funnel using funnel. That is, this is a funnel. We are pouring the kerosene. Next is oil in the bottle. Oil in the bottle. See here, this is a bottle. This is a, then milk in the jug. So, this is a milk in the jug, juice in the glass. Then filling water in the glass. So that is, it takes the shape of the container. So they are pouring kerosene using funnel, then oil in the bottle. Okay, so oil in the bottle. Okay, so the taking the shape of the bottle, then filling water in the glass, it takes the shape of the glass. Then milk in the jar, takes the shape of the jar. Then juice glass, so when you pour the juice, it takes the shape of the glass. So that means it takes the shape of the container. Then liquids are the things that do not have a definite shape. So I will go to the liquids now. So liquids do not have definite shape. Do not have definite shape. Then next, but occupies space. It occupies space. So this occupies the space. இந்த இடத்தெல்லாம் ஃபுல்லாக அது என்ன பண்ணும், அடிச்சுக்கும். புரியுதா? Then it has a definite volume. Definite volume, அதோட கன அளவு நான் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, எவ்வளோ அளவு நம்ம ஒரு பண்ணுறோமோ அதோட அப்படியே இருக்கும். It has a definite volume. They take the shape of the container. Already I said they take the shape of the container. ஸோ எதுலலாம் நீங்கள் கண்டெய்னரில் நீங்கள் லிக்விட்ஸ் ஊற்றுறீங்களோ அதோட ஏற்ற மாதிரி அந்த ஷேப்பும் மாறும். Shape of the container in which they are filled. The water moves from one place to another. அதாவது ஒரு இடத்துலேருந்து இன்னொன்று இடத்துக்கு நகரும் அது. ஓகே, இப்போ நம்ம வாட்டர் கீழே போர் பண்ண ஆல்ரெடி ஐ செட், இஃப் யூ போர் த வாட்டர் இட் will not stay in one place, it will move. Okay, the water moves from one place to another. Moves from one place to another. Then this is because the matter in the liquid are loosely packed. In this solid I said they are tightly packed, but in the liquids they are loosely packed. அதாவது கொஞ்சம் தூர தூரமாக இருக்கும். Okay, they are loosely packed. They are loosely packed. So matter in this is loosely packed. Then these can flow freely. So they can flow freely because they are loosely packed, they can flow freely. So what are the properties? It do not have a definite shape. So they don't have a shape. Then it occupies a space. Then it has definite volume. Then it takes the shape of the container. So நம்ம எதுலலாம் நம்ம fill பண்ணுறோமோ it takes the shape of that. Then it moves from one place to another. What happens? It moves from one place to another. Then they are loosely packed. Okay, I said these are loosely packed. The particles are loosely packed. Then they can flow freely. So these are the properties of the liquids. Then next we will go to the gases. So the gases, so we have seen about solid, liquids, now gases. Now when a perfume na scent theriyum illaya, perfume is sprayed or an agarbatti means udbatti, agarbatti is lighted, the fragrance na adoda good smell, fragrance spreads all round the room. How? We are going to see that now. Now the matter in the gases are very loosely packed. That is, the gases they are very ரொம்ப தூரமாக இருக்கும். They are very loosely packed. Very loosely packed. Then so they can move around freely in all the directions. So they are very loosely packed. They can move freely in all directions. Since they are very loosely packed, they can move very freely in all the directions. Then, hence, gases do not have a definite shape and do not occupy a definite space or the volume. Since they spread in all the directions, they do not have a definite shape, they do not have a definite space or the volume. So, they do not have a definite shape, do not occupy space or volume. So, what are the properties? Gases are very loosely packed and they can move freely in all the directions. So, since they are very loosely packed, what happens? It moves freely in all the directions. They do not have a definite shape and they do not occupy space. That is, they do not have a definite space. They occupy the full space or the volume. Then, most of the gases are colorless. Gases are colorless. Okay, gases are colorless because we have not seen any color of the gases. So, they are colorless and they are mixed with solid particles to have distinct colors. So, when they are mixed with the solid, they show colors. Then, there are some examples of gases: cloud, smoke, pugai, gas cylinder, cylinder everybody knows, then spray, water vapor, neeravi solrom illaya, water vapor, and the wind, kaatru. Now, page number 107, they have asked whether it is solid or liquid or gas. Put S for solid, liquid L, and gas G. Okay. Now, first they have given false. False is liquid. So, L. Then chair. Chair is solid. Then air filled balloon. Gas. Then cake. Solid. Okay. So, false, liquid, chair, solid, air filled balloon, gas, and cake, solid. Then juice. Juice is a liquid. Then jar with pebbles, solid. Then ice cube. Ice cube is a solid. Then steam from soup in the bowl, that is gas. Then pencil. Pencil is solid. Chocolates, solid. Then bucket filled with water, liquid. Water in a glass, liquid. Then milk, liquid. Bricks, solid. Biscuits, solid. And the fire gas. Okay, so these. Now, next is, here are some properties of matter. So, they have asked, here are some properties of matter. That is, properties of solids, then properties of liquids and properties of gases. So, the properties they have asked. Now they have given the options also there. The options are given. That is fixed shape, no fixed shape, fixed volume, no fixed volume, flow all sides and rigid. Now, we will see that properties of solids. That is, properties of solid means rigid, then fixed shape and fixed volume. Rigid, fixed shape and fixed volume. So these are the properties. If you have the book, you can take down in your book, children, and those who are not having, you can take down in your rough notebook. Then properties of liquids. Properties of liquid is they have no fixed shape, no fixed shape and fixed volume. Fixed volume. Next is properties of gases. Now what are the properties for that? For this also no fixed shape and no fixed volume. No fixed shape, no fixed volume. Okay. Now next we will see changes in the states of matter. So we have seen till this what are the properties of solid, liquids and gases. Next we are going to see the changes in the states of the matter. Now matter change their states in the as the temperature changes. So as the temperature changes, matter also changes. Now solid changes into a liquid and liquid changes into gas on heating. What happens? Solid changes into a liquid and liquid changes into gas, and again same reverse process, gas, liquid and changes into solids. There is a reverse process, that is changes, solid changes into liquid and liquid changes into gas. Same way gas changes to liquid and liquid changes into solid. Now first we will see the melting. Now in melting, changes of solid into liquid on heating is called melting. What happens? A solid when it changes into liquid, this is called on heating is called as a melting. For example, ice. Ice is when it is heated, it will change into water. So what is melting? Ice. It is a solid. On heating what happens? It changes into liquid, that is water. Okay. This is called as a melting. Next we will go to the freezing. So freezing everybody knows. I think all have fridge in your house. Okay, yeah. In the fridge what you have a freezer and the ice tray inside it. So if you put the water, if you pour the water in the ice tray and you keep in the fridge, what happens? It freezes. So change of a liquid into solid, that is liquid is water and changes into solid, that is ice cubes, is on cooling is known as a freezing. For example, what already I said now, water when poured in the ice tray and placed in the freezer. When you keep it in the freezer, what happens? It gets cooled, that is freezed, and becomes ice, that is solid. This is called as a freezing.